Alright, let's look at the homework 1.1, 1.2, problem number 10. Alright, so I'm not going to do the entire problem, but I'll let you guys get started. Alright, so if you want to find the y function from the derivative, so all you have to do is take the antiderivative, right? So we integrate the given function x times e to the negative x. With respect to x, right? So since this is a product, so we should use the integration by parts, right? So we have, right, so I'm going to call this one u, right? And e to the negative x dx, I'm going to call it as dv, right? So I'm going to say let u be x, right? And I'm going to let dv as e to the negative x dx. Alright, so by taking a derivative here, we know that derivative of u with respect to x would be simply 1. Then we can multiply both sides by dx, so that we know that the du is equal to dx, right? And we're going to need this. We're going to need u, and we're going to need du, and also we're going to need v. So in order to get v, all you have to do is we're going to divide through by dx, so that we have a dv over dx, which is going to give us e to the negative x, right? So if you want to find v, all you have to do is take the antiderivative. So we have a v is equal to, antiderivative e to the negative x is e to the negative x divided by negative 1, so it's going to be negative e to the negative x, right? And we need this, right? Remember that integration by parts tells you that you're going to have u dv. Maybe I'll write that down. So if you want to do integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du, right? So following that, we're going to have, right, uv. So u is here, v is there, so it's going to be negative x e to the negative x minus integral of v du. V has a negative sign, so I'm going to incorporate that negative sign here. So you have e to the negative x and dx. All right, then this is going to be equal to negative x e to the negative x. All right, antiderivative of e to the negative x is negative e to the x. Then you have plus some constant c. All right, and then I'm going to factor out the negative sign and also e to the x, all right, from the first two terms. So you're going to have x from the first term. You're going to get 1 from the second term plus some constant c. All right, then you can finish this up by using this initial value condition. So use that to find this constant here, which will turn out to be 2. All right, that's it. I hope that this will get you guys going.